Fate will mess you up. You better leave Fate alone. Fate doesn't know you very well. Fate will beat you down. Fate could definitely hurt you deeper. So, how am I going to get on her lap? There's a snake there. She's real careful not to step on them, though. She amazes me. She walks all the way around them. She's very gentle. No, you can't lay down there. There's a snake on my lap.
Mom.
She's going to try to figure out how to. There you go. Now she figured it out. You got to share me with the snakes. You know that already, right? Yeah, here we go. Here, put your head on Fade. You lay on Fade. He won't care. He's over there checking Nikki out, staring at you. Interesting.
He is too. You watching her chew her gum?
People think snakes are oblivious and ignorant animals. Boy, are they so sadly wrong. What? Well, lay down if you're going to do something. Lay down. Where you were? Here.
It's like, what? What is that?
I try to keep a safe distance between Deeper and Fade because of that reason. Just stay over there. He'll mess you up. He's big enough to take you down in a minute, Deeper. He's got the weight to do it too. Hi, Fade. He's a good boy. I calmed right down now. I'm good. I'm good.
Deeper looks like that.
Deeper's got her ears back to the stink and get swatted.
She's twitching.
It's okay. You're alright. You can get on my lap too, I guess. I can share. Yeah. I'll share with you. Maybe Fate will be tolerant of you being there. What a family I've got. A kitty and a snake lap. Good thing I got long legs. One of you be without. Is that Fade? Huh? Is that Fade? Look. Spoiled? Nah, none of my animals are spoiled at all. Not one of them.
I wouldn't believe that in a million years.
They don't either, trust me. What do you call that? Huh? You sharing my lap with Fade? I guess that's cool. Yeah. I just don't want to feel left out, so I gotta have love too. You sleeping? You hiding? Say, quit that.
Don't want any more.
Do what? Do what? Do it. My animal kingdom here. Deeper's watching TV now. It's just beautiful. It's gorgeous. Can't get over how dark his head is compared to the rest of his coloring. It's pretty neat. What are you doing, babe? What's up? You go see Nikki? Lap snake. Lap cat. You go see Nicky Nick? No?
I think he's happy where he is. Yeah, I can't make him hold still.
Oh, that's alright. Here. Come here, Faye. Come on. Relax. Relax. So I just want to roam around, that's all. Let him get his burst of energy behind him and he'll be fine. Here we go. There we go. He's slowing down. It takes him a little while. He'll slow right down. When he first comes out, he's a little hyper. Like, I want to get out and get into everything. Typical boa.
Yep.
A tongue going, forget it. There's nothing over here that smells like rat. Forget it. Don't even think about it. Where you going, babe? Where you going? Aww. Snuggle, snuggle. He's pushing his way. Hey.
He wants to be a belt.
He wants to be a belt. There you go. I'll calm down some. I'll calm down a little bit. Forget the pillow. You forget the computer. Never mind the computer.
Come here, you.
One-track mind, I'm telling you.
Yep. Persistent.
Up
Nope.
your sleeve.
Okay.
Oh, no. Babe, slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
No.
Is that Nikki? Is that Nikki? He's gonna get tangled up in your hair. Or is he heading over to the other side?
No, he was heading on the other side.
After that computer desk. Every snake I have goes right after that desk.